You see, making money online isn't that difficult if you know what steps to take. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online using affiliate marketing without extra work. Before we jump right into this, I want to point out something very important. There are basically two ways to make money online. One is to use a company or a vendor's product or service, and the company will pay you for that. In fact, you as well as other people mean them a lot of traffic, and that traffic means more business for them. The second way is the affiliate marketing. So you might have heard about this in past from other videos or other people. In affiliate marketing, you'll be promoting a product for a company, for instance, by sharing their links on your websites or blogs, links to their websites or sales pages, and get paid a commission. Today, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, like I said in the beginning, and we'll be using a website called warriorplus.com, which is an affiliate network that allows you to promote other people's product, other companies' product, and earn huge commissions. You can literally become an affiliate for thousands of products and companies found on this platform. Now, one thing that's great about Warrior Plus is that it lets you sign up in under a minute. You can get started right away. You just need to come up with a username and password, other than providing your email, of course, and you'll receive an email in your email inbox. Click on the link, activate your affiliate account, you're good to go. You will then browse through a marketplace page where all products are sold and are listed there, all the products that are being sold. And there are thousands of them. To access this page, all you have to do is click on the affiliate link and then click on the offers here. All products that are listed in bar that showcase all you would need to know about the product. From left to right, the values will appear for each of the following attributes: release date, sales, conversion rate, visitor value, average sales, refund rate, and product's likability, among other affiliates. Now, even further to the right, you'll see a button called request. Now, as a matter of fact, on Warrior Plus, you do not become an affiliate for a product instantly. You have to ask the vendor or company for permission. If they answer positively, you'll receive a personalized affiliate link, but more on that later. Now, I'll show you how to send a request, which is also very simple. First off, you are going to click on request, and then you'll come over to this other page. From here, you'll be sending off your letter of request to the product creator. As you can see, you have the option to drop a few lines to make yourself more enticing to the vendor, usually telling vendor that you have some experience in affiliate marketing and you can drive them a lot of sales with low refund rate. Will usually get you approved 100% guaranteed. Now, if they do approve you, great, you'll get approved and you'll get your affiliate link. If they don't, try another product. Now, you can use this link to make money, because every time someone from anywhere in the world uses this link, clicks on this link to access the company's website or sales page and buy their product, you earn a commission up to 50% of the price of the product. On warriorplus.com, the commission is sometimes as high as 100% too. So there's a huge potential to make a lot of money. But how? Well, there are two tips. One is to send out as many requests as you can. Here's my experience. 3/4 of these vendors will reach back with a link and approve you. The second tip is to start sharing your affiliate links on social media, Reddit, Quora, Twitter, and even creating review videos to publish on YouTube. Now let's talk about what to avoid. You should not be dropping your links as a random comment on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. It should be clear why. Let's say your product is in the self-help niche. It's a self-help book, and you drop your link as a comment to a YouTube channel that discusses Instagram growth. Chances are people will see it but scroll right through it, as they're not interested in self-help but interested in Instagram growth. Of course, there will be a couple of users who are both interested in Instagram growth and self-help material that you're sharing, but won't really bring you substantial revenue, if any. Now let's talk about what to do. First, ask yourself, where of all the websites and the forums you can find your targeted audience. I can't speak for every case, of course, because Warrior Plus hosts products from all kinds of niches and categories. But let me just take a previous example. Let's say your link is promoting a self-help book in the self-help industry. Then you'll be typing self-help forum in your Google search bar. Now, I don't know what appears on your search right now, but when I did the search, my second result was self-improvement forums. 3 best self-improvement forums for men. Now, of course, you want to click on this link and see if you can have the links to these forums. As you scroll down, you come across the headlines, the top self improvement forums for 2021. Proceed to scroll a little, and there you'll find the forum names: L3 Leadership, Guy Burstein, Men's Group. These are all forums you can find your way into, provide some value, and drop your affiliate links and start making commissions. And if you like the self-help stuff, learn along the way, you'll be killing two birds with one stone. Now, there's another secret that's super powerful that'll help you earn more commission as an affiliate marketer and also help you generate more buyers traffic in just minutes. In fact, this video that you're seeing on your screen right now will guide you through how to do exactly that. Click and watch this video, and when you do that, your future self will be thanking you. See you there.